Hello everyone. So today we will be doing main course book and our lesson is the Emperor's Seat. So before I start this lesson, I would like to know that students, what are the qualities of a king? Yes, you have to rearrange these words, and these words are going to, if you rearrange these letters, you are going to get a word which will describe the qualities of a king. So courage, nobility, here we have heroism, this is honesty, compassion, fairness. So these are the qualities of a king: courage, nobility, honest, fairness, heroism, and compassion. I'll start this lesson with a thought. If you do not tell the truth about yourself, you cannot tell it about other people. Now you will understand this thought. When we will read this lesson, we will come to know what is the meaning of this thought. So let's start. Once there was an emperor in the far east. When he realized he was growing old, he called his ministers to his court. He said, "It is time for me to choose my successor. Instead of choosing one of my own children or one of my assistants, I have decided to do something different. Summon all the young people in the kingdom to my court." So in the first para, it has been told that there was a king in the far east and he realized that he was growing old. So he wanted to choose his successor. What is the meaning of successor? Successor means descendant, inheritor, or you can say the person who will inherit the property, title, and the money as his heir. So successor means descendant and inheritor. The king was growing old, and so he decided to choose his successor, and he had a different plan for choosing his successor. What he said to his ministers, that summon means call all the young people in the kingdom to my court, and I have decided something different and I will choose my successor in a different way. So we will see that what was the different way in which he was going to choose his successor. The news spread, and there was a large congregation of youths on the day of the announcement. So this news spread, and then there was a large gathering of youth on the day of the announcement. The king addressed the youths, "Time has come for me to step down and choose the next ruler. I have decided to choose one of you to inherit the throne." So the king made the announcement that he has decided that he is going to choose the next ruler, and the next ruler is going to be among common people. Among the youth, he is going to choose the next ruler, and that person is going to inherit the throne. What is the meaning of inherit? The meaning of inherit is succeed to. Okay, he is entitled to take the throne. The young people, you can see in the picture, see the everyone gathered. Okay, the king is talking to all these people, and he is going to he has made the announcement. Okay, so you can see in the picture, here is the king, and here is the gathering that you can see. Okay, the young people stood shocked. The emperor continued, "I am going to give each one of you a seat today. It is a very special seat. I want you to go home, plant the seed, and water it. Then 1 year from today, come back with what you have grown from this one seed. I will judge the plants that you bring to me, and the chosen one will be the next ruler of this kingdom. So, see, the king had a very different plan, and he made the announcement, and the king told to the young people that I am going to give you a seed, and that is a very special seed. What you have to do, you have to take care of that seed. You go home, plant the seed, and water it every day. Take care of that seed and come back to me after a year, okay, and then I will see that what you have grown from this one seed. I will judge the plant. I will see what kind of plant you have grown and how well you have taken care of the plant, and then I will choose the best one, and the best person will be the next ruler of this kingdom. So this was the special plan of the king, and this was a very different way of the king, and in this way he wanted to choose the next ruler. Let's see what will happen. There was one boy named Ling who was there that day, and he, like the others, received a seed. He went home and excitedly told his mother the whole story. She helped him get a pot and some planting soil. Ling planted the seed and watered it carefully every day. He could water it and watch to see if it had grown. So in that crowd there was a boy, and the name of that boy was Ling. So what he did, he also received a seed like others. He also got a seed, and Ling was very excited about this seed. Ling was very excited. He brought the seed home, told his mother about the whole story and the plan of the king. His mother also tried to help Ling, and his mother got him a pot and then planting soil, okay, and his mother helped him in planting the seed. Ling was very excited. He planted the seed and watered it carefully. Every day he would water it and watch to see if it had grown. So Ling was very excited. He brought the seed, he planted the seed, watered it, and then he started waiting for the seed to grow into plant. After about 3 weeks, some of the youth began to talk about their seeds and the plants that were beginning to grow. Ling too went home and checked his pot. So after about 3 weeks, everyone started talking about their plant, and everyone started talking that how their plant has grown, and the seed started growing into a plant. Ling too went home and checked his pot. Alas, 3 weeks, but nothing has grown, said Ling to himself. In no time, many others were talking about their plants, but Ling's pot did not have any plant. So it was 3 weeks, and still the seed did not grow. Ling was very upset because nothing has grown. And whenever he used to talk to other people, they always kept on talking about their plant, but Ling's pot did not have any plant. I feel like a failure, moaned Ling. So Ling was very upset, and he was feeling like a failure. What is the meaning of moaned? Moan means make a long, low sound that express mental or physical suffering. Making a long, loud sound expressing mental or physical suffering is the meaning of moaned. So So Ling felt like that he was a failure because his nothing has grown. 6 months, still nothing had grown. Everyone else had trees and plants while Ling had nothing. So now see, 6 months passed and Ling kept on waiting, but nothing had grown. And everyone else, they were talking about the trees and the tall plants. And Ling was very upset. He kept on waiting. Oh, I think I have killed my seed, sighed Ling. So Ling was very depressed and he said to himself that he thinks that he had killed his seed. What is the meaning of sigh? Sigh means emit a long, deep, audible breath expressing sadness, relief, or tiredness. So when you express a long, deep, audible breath that express sadness, relief, or tiredness. However, he did not say anything to his friends. He just kept waiting for his seeds to grow. A year went by in this manner. So Ling was now not talking about his seed and he did not discuss anything with his friends. He just kept on waiting for his seeds to grow, and in this way a year passed. Today, all the youths of the kingdom will take their plants to the emperor for inspection. How can I take an empty pot? Said Ling to his mother. So, as per the plan, what the king has announced that after 1 year he was going to examine everyone's plant. So, in this way, 1 year passed, and now it was the time when everyone had to take their plants to the emperor for inspection. Now Ling was very worried and he told to his mother that how I am going to take this empty pot because nothing had grown. His mother encouraged him. Do not stay back for fear. Go and take your pot. In any case, be honest about what has happened. So his mother advised Ling and his mother encouraged Ling that you please do not stay back and you please don't be afraid. You should have courage and you should be honest. You go and take your pot as it is and just be honest about what has happened. Ling felt sick to his stomach, but he knew his mother was right. He mustered up courage and took his empty pot to the palace. Okay. Felt sick to his stomach means that he was feeling very upset and worried. The meaning is that feeling very upset and worried. So he was very upset and he was very worried, but he knew that his mother was right. And so what Ling did, he mustered up courage. Mustered means the meaning of mustered is gathered courage and took his empty pot to the palace. So he took the same pot to the palace. What a variety of plants had grown in the other young boy's pot. They were indeed beautiful in all shapes and sizes. So everyone that day they brought their pots and a variety of plants had grown in their pot. Ling was upset to see all these things, okay, and those plants were very beautiful and they were of different shapes and sizes. Ling sheepishly put his empty pot on the floor next to him. Many laughed at him. A few felt sorry for him and just said, "Hey, nice try." So Ling, when he saw everyone's else pot, he was really feeling he was ashamed. Okay, and what is the meaning of this? Ling sheepishly. The meaning is with the feeling of shame. He put his empty pot next on the floor next to him, and when other people saw his empty pot, everyone started laughing at him, and some people, they felt sorry for him also and said that okay, nice try. The emperor arrived and a silence swept over the room. Everyone stiffened to attention. He greeted the young people. My, what great plants, trees, and flowers you have grown. Today, one of you will be appointed the next emperor. So, now what happened? The emperor arrived and now everyone was attentive. They were waiting for his decision, and the emperor, he greeted the young people, and then he told to the young people that wow, what a variety of plants, trees and flowers you people have grown. So today I am going to appoint the next emperor, and the next emperor will be the person, will be someone among you. The young people shuffled nervously in their places. Ling just tried to hide from view. The emperor stretched his neck as he stood surveying the room. His eyes fell upon Ling with his empty pot at the back of the room. So as the king entered, everyone shuffled nervously, means moved around. Okay, and then the king started surveying the room. Surveying means examining the room, and suddenly the king saw the empty pot which was at the back of the room. Ling was feeling shy and Ling was ashamed of himself, and so Ling just tried to hide from view. He asked, "Who is that?" The king asked that, "Who is that?" Ling tried to screen himself. Okay, so the king, when he saw the empty pot, the king asked, "Who is that?" And Ling wanted to hide. He tried to hide from the view. "Get that young man to the front," the emperor told his guards. But the king told to his guard that I want the owner of that empty pot, who has brought that empty pot, get that young man to the front. Now see, we will see what the king is going to tell and what the king is going to do. Ling was terrified. Alas, the emperor knows I am a failure. Maybe he will have me killed. So Ling was very afraid. He was very upset, very worried. And Ling thought that now the emperor has also come to know that I am a failure, and it may be that emperor is going to kill me. Hesitantly, he walked to the front. "What's your name, young man?" said the emperor. So Ling, he came to front. Hesitantly means in an uncertain way. So he came to front, and then the emperor asked him that, "Tell me your name." "My name is Ling," he stuttered. Okay, the meaning of stuttered is he spoke in an he spoke unsteadily. And what is the meaning of unsteadily? Not in a regular pitch. So Ling told his name that my name is Ling. He was not confident that day. Ling was not at all confident. The gathered crowd burst into giggles. Everyone started laughing at Ling. The emperor raised his hand, demanding silence. He then looked at Ling. But emperor told everyone, and he raised his hand. Why he raised his hand? Because he wanted everyone to be silent. And then the king looked at Ling. "Behold your new emperor. His name is Ling. He announced to the crowd. Ling could not believe it. He could not even grow his seed. How could he be the new emperor? So behold, what is the meaning of behold? Behold means to look at. The king announced that look, he is the new emperor. He is the new king and his name is Ling. The king made this announcement. Ling was very surprised and he could not believe it. He could not believe it because he was not able to grow his seed, and so he couldn't understand that why the emperor is announcing his name as a king. You can see the picture the day of the announcement. See, this is the picture when the king was going to announce the name of the next ruler. Everyone, see, they have gathered with their pot and they have grown plants. You can see the plants in their pot. Okay. 1 year ago, I gave each one of you a seed. I told you to take the seed, plant it, water it, and bring it back to me today. In fact, I had given you all boiled seeds which would not grow. Alas, all of you except Ling have brought me trees and plants and flowers. When you found that the seed would not grow, you substituted another seed for the one I gave you. Ling was the only one with the courage and honesty to bring me a pot with my seed in it. Therefore, he is the one who truly deserves to inherit my throne. So see, the king was so clever and the king was so cunning. What he had done, he had given everyone a boiled seeds, and the king knew that this boiled seeds will never grow into a plant. But the young people, what they did when they received the seed and they found that the seed was not growing, they replaced the seed, substituted the seed, they replaced the seed with another seed. And what they did, they grew different kinds of trees, plants and flower. They just wanted to impress the king. But in fact, these young people, they were not honest. And only the Ling, what he has done, he planted the same seed which was given by the king, the boiled seed, and so that seed did not grow. But Ling had the courage and honesty to bring that pot with no plants. And king understood this, that Ling was courageous and Ling was honest, and so the king announced his name as the next emperor, and he said that it is only Ling who deserves to inherit my throne. So this was all about the lesson, students. And what is the message of this lesson? The message of this lesson is, so be careful what you plant now. It will determine what you reap tomorrow. Someday you will enjoy the fruits or you will pay for the choices you plant today. So this is the message of the poem. This is the message of this lesson. At the end of the lesson, students, you can see all the difficult words are given and the meanings are here. Please go through it. Okay, the difficult words and their meanings. And in the next video, we will be discussing the question and answer for this lesson. Thanks for watching. Thank you.